They posted 12 videos, no face, no voice, no shorts, no daily uploads. And in 4 months, they're making more than full-time YouTubers who grind every single day. This Faceless channel didn't just go viral. It broke YouTube's monetization model. Let's break it down. The channel? A sleep storytelling brand. 2-hour videos, historical narratives, ambient sound, calming voiceover, no trends, no shoutouts, no shorts, just long, watchable content. By video 3, 100,000 views. By video 7, over 160,000 subscribers. How? They didn't hustle harder. They engineered for retention. Each video followed the same blueprint. Long-form content, 2 hours, 10 ad breaks, maximum monetization. Sleep niche, evergreen, repeatable, global. AI-powered production, Chat GPT for scripting, 11 Labs for voice, Leonardo for visuals, CapCut for editing, entire workflow under 2 hours per video, and every upload an asset. While creators burn out trying to post daily, this channel grew on autopilot. Why? Because one good video watched all night is worth more than 50 half-watched shorts. But here's where it gets crazy. Each video earns watch time, while the creator sleeps. They rack up thousands of views per day, consistently, silently, predictably. They monetize sleep, and they do it with content that never needs their face, their voice, or their time. This isn't a YouTube channel, it's a system, a monetized compounding video library that works while they don't. You're not late, you're just watching the sprint while others are building factories. They didn't get lucky, they built it, and now you know how.